One wet morning in spring sweet air, the garden looked a little bare. The tulips, daisies, once in bloom, had vanished from the flower room. Oh no, cried bee and butterfly, who took our blooms and why, oh why? The garden gnomes all shook their heads, while worms peeked out from flower beds. Detective Cat with a clever hat grabbed her notepad, let's solve that. She sniffed a trail through leaves and dew, and followed paw prints, just a few. She questioned Snail, who moved too slow, and asked the Squirrel, did you know? The Bunny shrugged, then gave a hop. I saw some petals near the shop. They all rushed down the cobblestone, past grassy hills and stepping stone, and there they found a sweet surprise, a basket full of bright supplies. The wind had made a floral kite, with petals sewn in strings so light. I'm sorry, Wind said with a spin, I meant no harm, I danced them in. They laughed and smiled, no longer blue, and made some flower crafts anew. From missing blooms to art so grand, joy had bloomed across the land.